What if I told you that YouTube and TikTok channels are garnering hundreds of thousands, even millions of views simply by posting animated horror stories
In the United
like
States,
these?
there's a bridge where a man dressed as a bunny once hunted people with an axe. They call him the Bunny Man. In 1970, couples parked near the Colchester overpass began reporting a figure in...
It might sound crazy, right? But it's true. And these creators are making a fortune without having to go to a company, work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and without showing their faces. Almost no one talks about this. I've spent hours researching this field, and in this video, I'll explain in detail how these channels work. No filler, no media hype. These channels use it to promote their products and generate revenue. That's why you should pay attention. While everyone is worrying about YouTube's new monetization rules and insisting that AI content won't generate revenue, smart creators are posting daily and are currently dominating the industry. In this video, I'll explain in detail how it's done. First, I'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up the channel to writing scripts, creating voiceovers, and uploading the final product. You'll be ready to launch your own channel in no time. A growing field. Okay, let me explain the process in detail. Usually, creating a video like this requires several paid tools. A professional text-to-image generator. In addition, you'll need a text-to-speech subscription. Even then, you'll need time, editing skills, and patience to tie everything together. This is very slow and inefficient. I found a comprehensive solution. A single AI tool handles everything I mentioned in minutes, and it's called Clippie AI. As usual, I've included the link in the description if you'd like to try it out. This tool is extremely effective. It enables you to create videos for many viral niches, such as tech stories. Do you prefer games or Reddit stories? The format we'll be covering today is scary cartoons. Enough talk. Let me show you the full plan. The first step is to create a new YouTube channel. Choose a name, upload your profile picture, and design a banner. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm name ideas and Canva to create visuals. Now, here's the thing. Don't overthink your branding. Yes, be creative. Invest time in building your brand. These aren't the most important parts. The content you produce is what matters most. Next, let's talk SEO. If you want YouTube to understand your channel from the start, you need to give it context. Simply put, tell them what your channel is about and what kind of videos you expect. I've already prepared a list of tags I'll be using on this channel, and you should definitely create your own channel too. For this part, I recommend using a tool called VidIQ. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, this tool will make a huge difference. I've been using it since day one, and honestly, it makes the process a lot easier with the VidIQ Chrome extension. You can look at popular channels in your niche, see the exact tags they're using, and even see tags on individual videos. And that's just the beginning of what it can do. You can even do a full analysis of all the tags and choose the most popular ones so more people can discover your videos. By the way, I've left a link in the description if you'd like to try it out. The first month is just $1. After SEO, our YouTube profile is fully set up. This means we can move on to the most exciting part, actually creating content. Here's a simple plan for creating a video. First, we need to brainstorm a few ideas. Next, we turn these ideas into powerful, engaging scripts. Then, we copy and paste the text into Clippie AI. From there, choose what you want and the AI will do the rest. In just seconds, you'll have a fully edited short video. It's truly amazing. It's as if you've outsourced the entire editing process. This means you can stop worrying about the difficult stuff and focus on what really matters. Now, let's move on to the next step. Create a powerful script. Don't worry, this is simpler than it sounds. Most of the most viral videos in this space succeed because they're built on a solid script. In fact, your script is the most successful. An important factor. If you want your video to succeed, here's how to create a fully optimized script in just minutes. I've already created 2 template prompts for you. One generates completely new ideas for your stories, The other turns those ideas into professional scripts. Just grab the prompts from the document. You'll find them in my description. Then paste them into the GPT chat. You can even select as many prompts as you want. Then click Create immediately, and you'll get a list to work with. Then comes the text writing stage. Open a new chat, paste it into the second prompt you provided, and this will assign ChatGPT a text writer. Then choose one of the prompts from the first list and drop it into the new chat. Press enter, and in seconds, you'll have a polished, professional quality.
Not only will it clearly explain the topic, but it will also engage your viewers.
And keep them reading until the end. Pro tip, don't copy and paste your text directly into Clippie. Add it to Google Docs first, and give it a quick touch. Read it aloud, edit any lines that sound robotic, and add short phrases or expressions that make it sound like a real person. This extra step makes a huge difference. It turns your AI-generated script into a natural, engaging story that engages viewers. Now, let's get back to Clippie AI. First, we need to click on the AI story video. The first step is to enter our script. Now, we could always use Clippie scriptwriter, but we already have something better, our GPT chat script. Just copy and paste it, and you're done. Pass go down to the styles section. You'll see options like dark animation, cinematic anime, hyperrealism, and comics. Pretty cool, right? For this section, choose dark animation. Next is the sounds section. The sounds here are very natural and of very high quality. In this demo, I'm using Nox Dark's voice. You can adjust settings like static and similarity, but for now, let's leave them as they are. It's time to create your scenes. Click Create Scenes and wait about 5 minutes. There are no manual prompts, no scene-by-scene editing. The AI does everything for you. Once you're done, you'll find each scene is complete with visual effects. Most of the time, it will look smooth, consistent, and clear, even if one doesn't fit. No problem.
Just upload a new image or write a quick prompt and recreate it. Very simple. Next is the background music. Click on the option, browse the library, or upload your own music. Make sure the music matches the emotion of the video. It's one of the most important parts after the text. If you want your video to go viral, lower the volume to around 20% so the voiceover stands out clearly. Finally, we need to choose the transitions. We have 2 options, dramatic or smooth. In this example, smooth is best. We can also add particles or sound effects, but let's maintain clarity and avoid particles this time. Then open the captions. You'll find a variety of pre-made styles. Switch between them with just one click. Then your video is ready. Just click Export, name your project, and click View. Here's what we were able to accomplish.
Did you know? A 6-year-old boy in Scotland claimed he remembered his past life and then proved it. His name was Cameron, and from the time he could talk, he told his parents he used to live on a small island called Barra. He described it in perfect detail, a yellow house by the sea, planes flying overhead, and even the white...
Pretty cool, right? Identical video quality, perfectly synchronized captions, everything is fine. The final step is uploading the final product. Add your title with VidIQ. You can get title recommendations and their SEO ratings. It's a very powerful tool. Simply type in a title that works for you. Click the refresh button. VidIQ will automatically provide recommendations. Based on your input, choose one and it will be your title. Then, create hashtags using ChatGPT. Paste your text into a new chat. Request SEO. Copy the first 3 or 4 tags. Go back to YouTube Studio. Paste them next to your title. Not suitable for children. Confirm that there is no modified content. Check copyright and press Publish. Do this plan on TikTok too. And that's it. You've just learned the full plan. Now you know exactly how these anonymous horror channels are thriving. And how can you create one today? The only question is, will you do it? Or will you watch others win? If you're serious, check out the tips and resources I've shared. The links are waiting for you in the description. And listen, this is just the beginning. I'll be posting more step-by-step strategies on this channel. So hit that subscribe button. Follow us, and remember, your first viral video could be just one upload away. Let's make it happen.